Hello guys, so alright, let me just get straight to the point. So nenatuka popse nana kombinga ya kuluma baveli bahafela uno na buya popyo malaka abo o meme babo. We are going to talk about to the mothers that are so proudly announcing that they are so happy that their kids cannot speak their own languages. We have so many mothers or so many parents that are failing their kids nowadays because their kids, they don't speak their own language and they are proclaiming it's a good thing. I don't know, but to me it seems it's just not alright. Why am I saying that? Most of these kids, most of them over Jimbo Malaka or Shuambo, Shiherero, Shidamara, or Shitwana, whatever language it is. Oh no, I'm so happy my kid doesn't speak Oshuambo. What kind of a mother or a father or a parent are you? You are so happy that your kid doesn't speak the language? Your own language? Your own language? I don't know about you. But really, it's Kulunu. We should educate our own kids to speak our own language. I have met with people from different countries whereby they particularly speak just their language. Yeah. Why not? No, hapo pa malakavo. Indapo airport ya South Africa hapo. Andapo sela kalavo. Shakutu angengino enda inotala, nongengino enda inomona nakoka. Shushiko ulipo iko pototiku chokana ko inaka popo shuambo. Na kilongo shuambo staka iko ko ambo kwenye okana utaka bobi. The child will be speaking English with the grandmother, and the grandmother doesn't understand. Can you imagine? So what's the use of communicating if you don't understand each other? What are you trying to the upbringing of your kid? What's the background? What are you going to tell your kid? The history of your family. What are you going to tell your kid? The kid doesn't even know her own language or his own language. It's a shame. Really, it's a big shame. Because no, people fish never long. Why? Nala no na uta popino shuambo. Vala nenge no na uta begin be Africans. That's a good thing because it's also one of the language that we have in Namibia. Yeah, especially in towns. Yeah. Ndoni no le kana kilongo elaka lo yemwene ponu uli opone. Oh, I'm so happy my child can't speak the language. I'll look at you like, ma, are you normal? Who doesn't want olia alok anakaya kopela kali la memoy? Akulukadzi tukufeke ngaku tulonge nyuno na vetu ukupopela kalo memoy. Amonda mona oshima shimwe. It's a shameful thing to say, especially people from I met people from Western Africa. Sometimes they don't even know how to speak their own mother language. It's a shame, really. It's a shame. You can't tell me you can't speak your mother language. What do you mean? English, I mean over English and go to England and go. Go to America. What do you want to tell me? You know, a lot of people like you want to tell me don't know your mother language? How is that possible? I mean, does it even make sense? How are you going to upbringing your own kids? What are you going to tell your kids? You're going to tell them, okay, in our world, I say, why not? Being educated does not mean you have to not to speak your own language. Amonzola nokuli anovo hani ngovo. Na tupigile nini yoshima shetosho ewa openana anu bamwe bajane kilongo numbi hapo pinela ka mala ko mbe wa voto angene tavana usingane shi atopo ela kalimwele sho shingiriza onti pulane kuja anu no na ba no take ba tekulangi ipso ba ko to shishi no take ba longwa shikon ne la kala la mwa hekeli shigena ndenande non sula kali na hal no na ba shibe ni ma msulwa ka no so amen bacho ba longwa ni shine kuche longwa li ba longwa li pipo elongwa shonga ko longwa shonga ka nandeke nande unukale ke wa tekuluno na bwena onoto mangwe mbwitine honesta iko ambo kunyo onkuluka de it's a shame kapanda nesho kana kaike shikupo pesho ambo. Oh my god, it's a shame okapanda no kana kae eshi yakaduru ku communicating na grandmother na isi poneke takata kuminena akulupoko nenge moshipangelo mone tuli apangine onukuditeko no ambo nkweni navo umambo ndo wale kutakum. It's a shame unene tungenge nando kulonwe kufa mushwambo ngipi wa ninga ngipi ntowera nginyana kume onete kwalule moshingiza be like excuse me, I'm greeting in your own language but you don't want to reply to me. You are replying to me in someone else's language. You prefer to speak that rather than just talking your own language. It's a shame actually. If you phone in nai otopi phone mo shwambo nte unyamwa moshingisa talege me texting go mama ende every day talege nige ve tata kumanom okutakuma ke joshimashi, especially in Namibia. It's not a bad thing because it's our official language and then everybody, you are entitled, you have a responsibility to know how to speak English because it's the official language, because we have so many different languages in Namibia. So you need to know one language that is English so that you'll be able to communicate for communication wise. Mala itashiduri ka unwambo na jangu spangelo de andu faneno translate unwambo ka Nengandi amo Minister of Home Affairs and ki fanen mo na translate. Translating unwambo kwetu. What do you mean? Ini mane afa hapo. Ne tunokala tivange ken. Kuchangeta miko hapo popenyo shwambo na kulupe to. Muli mo mi pangelo mo va pangi ndo hotola ke ngolo mo shpangelo. To pulwange konte kwa shwambo ndo shwambo kucha kushishi. Oshwambo, at least there's a lot of vambos in Namibia. At least you should know, you need to know these basics. To popino no mo shwambo. Ngale ngenge na kurupa kalungo tata kuma. Oh, ngakwetu ashoto kaleni ngao. Yalo. Shetanje na pano kuli kuche pastor de to don't know shield my father, my God. I don't know. Is English the heavenly language or what? It's my question now. Is English the heavenly language? You find on keshiku popesha English and no it's popsa because practice makes perfect. Nobody's perfect either because it's not our own mother language. But oh no, tate, my God. Now, I'm not even concentrating on the message the person is trying to tell. I'm just concentrating fixing or English or grammar. You just be there listening and then you are just trying to fix the grammar of the person. You are no more taking the message. Please, our pastors will love you and we acknowledge you and we honor you and we appreciate you. Malava fita. Oshinglisa is not a heavenly language. Okay? Otodro gwiri kana moshwambo kalunga teko begi. Todro kupiritinga moshwambo kalunga teko begi. Ndeko? Onima, one way of communication is good when you are preaching and there is someone out there taking your message. Utego? Oshwange to difa, nengeto nombolo moshima, don't know tadro fako. Or message I to trying to deliver. You see? Bangengo ulipo to difa kwa mbondo papo translation na yo shingirisa. I don't know. Seriously. There should be a translator to translate Oshwambo while all the people that are in the church or the people that are in that certain gathering they are Vambo speaking. What is it for? We should acknowledge our own languages. We should love our own languages. English is not heavenly language. You can speak or pray in Oshwambo and God can still hear you. I am creating So who told you English is a heaven language? Who told you you will not make it to heaven? Who told you that? That's just maybe rumors. Okay? Vafita. Utifani moshwambo ta tamwiri kana no moshwambo. Nde tan stop akeshumo hate ava ko nde oshiri. Fimboli mono wala kupikine messenger joshi ndo no kulipeke. Upeke to fixa. No. Please. Gengu shukuja your audience are Vambo speaking, your audience are Damara speaking, your audience are African speaking, Popular Kalo, according to your audience. Not to stop any in my own to translating the Wamba when is it showing off that you know English or what? Talenia, South Africa. Poor airport, my friend, I've been at South African airport, 2 airports, I've been Johannesburg, I've been at Johannesburg and Cape Town. Those people are my friend. They are speaking Oshil Malakabo airport at Penkavelile Momonokut. Tapoposhe or Malakavo Queen. And acknowledging Malakav. I cannot tell you which I've been there, where, and people they speak what, but I can just give an example. South Africa. They acknowledge and they love their languages. Dana mibi inatwala nyeku kalentu lenye maka koshija kaka to soros yangane ni chene nando kuli oshi ni mimega ne nando kuli no mulibongo baba line bombe ora numba ndishi ukanthe wala kulombwelo noshima ne moshwambo udali onotona mbwene moshwambo ngeno ngompo pye nando you know what I'm talking about. Osho no kulipa italula moshingisa. You are replying in English now so that everybody will understand. Please. No. We should have a way of communication. Okay? Nge tulipo tuliwa valiza tulipo shatuke. Nenge osatuko vambo ndandi kulongwe something gango nando kapuko ngonde kamon ndala ndendi kulongwe moshwambo ni. Bifi kulongwe moshwambo mpo to reply ngali moshingisa. Ono bifi okani wako mabucha. Ano mushkwashikena na. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Inankwatelange ngoname. Yala nokulonte ata commentinga koka video akate yako ne personal issue yo ngengu ne problem adoye ino ala kulongo no navosho wambo nengela kaloela meme oye. It's your problem. This video is for those who want to improve and for those who think it's important to acknowledge your own language, okay? Yeah. Nashikalenga vaolike na tubisho wambo na tupapinyela kale tu. Kashola fimana no kukala takaleka po oshiwana sha Namibia no kukatwa katerapo omakwata fano pankala okupopza oshono wetengengo popo shwambo nge wamuli no nwambo kambadala ngone okukala to popinando moshwambo ino kambadala nando okukala to pomala kamwilile opike o messenger ito anjo piki dolote ikufwa kona no shashinge owalombwelo nuneni ya popela kalo o etumala kali to tumwitari kafika na waka lili no monjila tali kafika la tumokana la tumakana ne na shushu wetene tunakwilongeni obopeni omalaka etu. Okay, na dali na bata dalini na tukaleni nako tu atulonge nyuno na wetu malaka etu na tukatu weteni bacho twalongwa ne shuno na wetu ya popo shwambo nengo tu diteko eshuno na wetu ya malaka etu ainga ati funju uno na vasa tu khule iko baholike uno na wovena of future ili commission tango shuno teka ka problem kuno na wata ka dalota ka explaining ngibzana isho meshi ela kala emwene ewa baholike amodimole. It's Fauci Lala speaking. Yes, it's Fauci Lala speaking here. I love you guys and thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Shalom.